had no idea before starting this course just how integral the water cycle is to climate change and climate collapse. And I really think that water is the key, that restoring the water cycle will restore all of the natural cycles on Earth. And, these carbon sink projects and carbon credits and all of these are something else. And water, if we don't figure out water, I don't know what will happen to us, but to know that so many people are coming to this work and being trained and taking it back to their communities and doing this work on the land makes me feel really hopeful. And it also feels like we're kind of collectively tapping into our ancestral wisdom or this ancient wisdom of how folks used to live on the land, that they really deeply observed land and responded to what they saw happening on the land and were in deep relationship with natural cycles. And so that feels really incredible to start to tap into that and learn how to do that. So I feel like I had an early connection to just the way that water moves across the land. And when I found Water Stories, it just really resonated in a way that felt like, oh, this is something that I was born to do, or feels like coming home in a way. Yeah. I've had a career shift that I attribute in part to Water Stories, but I'm doing a program in conservation and resource management, and then I just started a paid internship last week with studying amphibians in ponds. And then I'm also doing some prescribed and cultural fire burning. So it sort of opened the doorway for me to really realize that I want to do land stewarding work full time. I hope my legacy is just in the land. I don't really feel like I need to have my name remembered necessarily, but I hope that the trees and the stones and the water and the earth and more than human beings know that I was there and that I offered my hands to the earth while I was here, and hopefully offered some reciprocity for all that the earth gives. I think I would just say if you are feeling drawn to this work, I think the beauty of Water Stories and the way that it's set up is that anyone, no matter where they are with their work or their life, there's something that's accessible for them. And I think anyone who has any interest, you'll find that you'll be welcomed in and you'll get hooked and want to just keep learning and maybe find your true path in life and become a Water Stories practitioner. I'm Oja. We are Water Stories.